Welcome to our Health Metrics tutorials. In this tutorial, we will examine how the Analyze by drop-down is able to change your reports based on your selection. Let's get started. Notice that our default report shows all the Florida hospitals with their current metrics for calendar year 2018. These metrics include discharges, patient days and average length of stay, total and average charges, along with other value-added fields. The purpose of the Analyze by drop-down is to change the content of your report without changing your criteria. Here is where the Analyze by drop-down is located. Simply click on the arrow and you will see that you have access to all the data fields in the Health Metrics database. You can scroll through the data fields to see what is available. Let's simply change our report to reflect the top services in the state of Florida by selecting the MSDRG field. Now the report reflects all hospital services in the state of Florida. Notice, it does not change any of your criteria shown here. Let's change the report to show Florida payer mix. Simply scroll down and choose Patient Principal Payer from the Analyze by drop-down. Now, the report shows the complete inpatient payer mix for the state of Florida. As you can see, it is easy to change the content of your report. Also, notice that when you create a report, that Health Metrics creates what is known as a breadcrumb trail. This shows all the reports you have generated in your session. If you want to go back to a generated report, simply click on that report. In this example, we will select the Services MSDRG report. As shown here, you will be taken back to that report. Here we added a filter of all hospitals in Miami County. We will use the Analyze by drop-down to show how we can change our report content without changing the criteria. So, let's choose Hospital System from our drop-down. Notice, the report changes to reflect all the metrics for the hospital systems in Miami County. Choose the patient age group from our Analyze by drop-down and the report shows all the age groups in Miami County. Our next selection will be Principal Payer, and again, you can see the payer mixes in Miami County. You can start to see that it is very easy to change your reports to show different content without changing your criteria. This gives you the ability to quickly review any filter you give Health Metrics and see different content quickly. There may be times when you want to find out the top 10 hospital with discharges or average length of stay. Health Metrics has you covered. Notice the drop-down option next to the Analyze by button. When clicked, you will see the options to view the top 5 or 10 and so on. We will choose the top 10. Our report is now showing the top 10 hospitals in Florida based on the highest discharges. Notice when the report is generated, that Health Metrics provides you with another drop-down option titled View By, which is shown here. Notice that discharges is currently shown, which indicates that we are viewing the top 10 hospitals in Florida by highest discharges. What if we want to quickly change to view the top hospitals by average charges? To do that, simply click on the drop-down and choose Average Charges and your report will change to show the top 10 hospitals in Florida ranked by highest average charges. Let's change it again and select Average Length of Stay. We are now viewing the top 10 Florida hospitals ranked by highest average length of stay. That concludes our video tutorial on the Analyze by drop-down option. Please see our other videos to help you expedite your learning of Health Metrics. Thanks again and see you in the next video.